Welcome to Prince Math Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good day, viewers, and welcome once again to class. Here we have this very interesting exponential equation. It's interesting because the powers that we have to the basis is actually conjugate. Conjugate in the sense that you have 2x minus 1 here and you have 2x plus 1, and the bases are different. So let's see how we are going to solve this when we meet a question like this in any examination situation. So let's go right into the solution. Now, this is the question that we are presented with. The first thing we need to do is to apply the laws of indices. And we know that when you have a to the power of b plus c, it actually means a to the power of b times a to the power of c, right? So, and if you have it as what? Minus, it actually means division, right? Good. Or like this, a to the power of c. Good. And as well, if it is negative, you can as well write it like a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of negative c is also correct. So applying this rule, I can rewrite what I have here as 7 to the power of 2x times 7 to the power of minus 1. And I'll write here as 5 to the power of 2x times 5 to the power of positive 1. Then, to take it further, this 7 to the power of minus 1, going from the law of indices that says a to the power of negative 1 is 1 over a. I am going to apply it here. This will give me 7 to the power of 2x times 1 over 7. And this will give me 5 to the power of 2x multiplied by 5 to the power of 1. To eliminate the 7 I have here, I want to multiply all the terms here by 7 because this is 1 over 7. So I'll multiply this by 7. Multiplying this term by 7, 7 will cancel 7. So I will have just 7 to the power of 2x here. Then this 7 multiply everything I have here. I'm going to have 5 to the power of 2x multiplied by 5. Then multiply by 7. That's what I'm going to have there. Good. Since I have 5 to the power of 2x here and 7 to the power of 2x here, I want to divide both sides by 5 to the power of 2x. So 5 to the power of 2x here cancels out 5 to the power of 2x here. And I'm going to have 7 to the power of 2x over 5 to the power of 2x to be equal to 5 times 7. We need to succumb to the rule that says if I have a to the power of x over b to the power of x, it is the same as a over b all to the power of x, since x and x are both common to both powers in the numerator and denominator. Therefore, I will make this to be 7 over 5 to the power of 2x equals to 5 times 7. When you are confronted with an exponent like this, all you need to do to get the value for x is to take the natural log of both sides. And the natural log of both sides is log to base e, which we call what? ln. So ln 7 over 5 to the power of 2x will be equals to ln 5 times 7. Then we know from this rule that if I have log or ln, let us say a over b to the power of x, the power here will multiply the log. So this becomes x ln a over b. And we also know that in that multiplication, if I have ln A times B, it is actually ln A plus ln B. So applying these two rules here, this will give me 2x ln 7 over 5. And this will give me ln 5 plus ln 7. Therefore, I can rewrite this when you have ln A. If you have ln A over B, say ln A minus ln B. So using that rule here, I'm going to have 2x ln 7 minus ln 5 equal to, now we have what? ln 7 plus ln 5. They are the same thing. 7 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 7. Good. So for me to get my what? X, I have to divide both sides. First of all, by ln 7 minus ln 5, ln 7 minus ln 5. So this, we cancel the whole of this. So I have my 2x to be equals to ln 7 plus ln 5, everything over ln 7 minus ln 5. But we want x and not 2x. So I have to divide both sides by 2 and divide everything here by 2. Put this in a bracket. So 2 will cancel 2. Therefore, my x will now become ln 7 plus ln 5 over ln 7 minus ln 5. Everything divided by 2. And if you put ln 7 plus ln 5 over ln 7 minus ln 5 in the calculator, the whole value you are going to get as x will be 5.28327106.152. That is the value for x. But I will advise you that whenever you are confronted with a question like this, putting in this value of x here, that everything here, that is ln 7, everything in the bracket divided by 2, is the absolute value that will make this side equal to this side. But values like this will give you approximate values. So you can check for the accuracy of your result by putting the value of what? X to be all that I have here, multiplied by 2 here, subtract 1 from it. Then 7 to the power of the result here should balance out with what you have here. So this brings me to the end of today's class. Kindly click on the like button, comment on the video, share this video to your friends, and more importantly, subscribe to this channel, because you are going to be enjoying lots of mathematics questions that covers SSC questions, Olympiad maths questions, any exam question that you can think of. You can drop in the comment section as well, or check the description to look for my phone number so you can WhatsApp whatever question that is bothering you, so that we can all look at it on this channel. Bye for now.